No! Quick! The light! Father, no! The light!
Good Lord.
You! I'm begging you! Go get help!
Well, I'll be damned. You're the rest of them.
What? No. Wait, we're just looking for someone.
And you found him. It's your damn music what brought them out, huh? Those dirty vermin that invaded our church. That filth would attack our children in their beds and gave them the black thing. But now you found Conrad Malfour. And I'm telling you, this is the last village you'll infect.
Amicia!
Come on. Run, Hugo!
What's happening, Amicia?
Just run!
But why are they angry? Are they going to burn us too? We have to hide, Amicia!
Here, get inside, quickly!
All's quiet.
He's going to see us.
Don't move.
Just have to wait until they show themselves. Then we'll get them. What was that noise?
Come on. Shh, shh. That's it. Almost.
Nothing.
We showed him.
There you are!
Ah, not that way!
Where are we going?
Come on, just run as fast as you can! There! The wall!
They're coming!
Quick, quick!
They must be hiding in a hole somewhere, like snakes. Which way did they go?
We should never have come here.
Why are they doing that?
They think we have brought evil with us. We have to find a way out of here. We're going to climb up.
That's right, not a sound. but it will make some noise, right?
Do you have a better idea? Help me push.
Yes.
Come, I'll get you up. Well, we got out.
So we can leave now, right?
If they don't find us again.
But you have your sling. You can protect us.
It's not that easy, Hugo.
Oh.
Outsiders!
Oh no! Quick, the ladder! Go and climb! You first!
It doesn't look safe, Amicia.
We're running out of time! They're coming!
It's going to break.
No! No!
I told you.
They went that way.
Hugo! Where are you going? Don't leave me!
Amicia, come here. This side.
There you are!
I found this, so you can climb up.
Well done. I'll get it to fall. Watch out!
Amicia, the crate up there. Hurry, they'll be back.
Come on, come on!
Here you go.
Well done! I was scared.
I'm sorry about the ladder.
It's my fault. You were right.
We need to go home.
We can't. Not without Laurentius.
Amicia, hide.
Well, where the hell are they?
Conrad, we've surrounded the area. They were here a few minutes ago.
The two of you surrounded the whole area? Get out of here! Call the others and get those alleys blocked. If I catch those brats, I'll send them back to hell, piece by piece.
Conrad lost his mind when his kid died. We have to burn innocent people? Chase kids? Meanwhile, the plague spreads through the village.
You think it's normal to have a girl and a kid running around here with the things the way they are?
No, Amicia, your sling makes too much noise.
You're right.
Amicia, no!
Hugo, he's here!
I'm coming!
Hugo, do something!
Come on, Amicia!
Run!
Stop, Amicia!
Oh, please, we've got to carry on. Just a little further. A dead end. We're finished.
This way. Don't be afraid. Come in. Oh, my name is Clairvy.
I'm Amicia. And this is Hugo. Say thank you, Hugo.
Thank you.
Clovey, what is happening here?
The plague. So many people dead. And those still alive have But where are your parents?
At home. They're waiting for us.
We're looking for a doctor. Laurentius.
A doctor? Perhaps. A man did come and help at the hospice early on. The monks might be able to tell you more, but
What?
they haven't been seen recently. No one goes near the church anymore.
It's all we have. We must go and see.
You'll die there. But no one listens to old Clary anymore, so... Anyway, I see you have a sling. You're going to need it. But it'll be no use to you in that state. Go to the backyard. You'll find some new strips of leather there. And feel free to use the workshop in the next room for your repairs.
That's very kind of you.
Feel free to use the tools by the workshop.
Right, got the tools. I just need the leather. Leather. Right, let's get to work. Come on, keep calm and concentrate. That's much better. With the right materials, I could improve it even more. Right, I must go and thank Clovey.
Ah, so?
It's a lot better. Thank you, Clovey. Thanks for everything.
So that's where you lost them. Yeah, they won't survive long around here if you ask me.
What on earth are you doing? Put that mallet down. Are you stupid or what?
I am not stupid!
Don't shout.
Children, that's enough noise.
I want to see Mummy!
Shut up. You're going to get us killed.
Mummy will protect us!
That's enough.
I want to see Mummy!
Mummy is dead, Hugo. You'll never see her again. Or Daddy.
Amicia.
You're lying!
They were killed at the house. Both of them, so shut up.
Lying! Lying! I hate you!
Please stop.
Hugo, no! Hugo, wait! Don't go out, you're mad! Hugo, come back! What's he doing?
Where are they? Where the hell are they?
Oh no, he's going to get us killed! Hugo, please! I'm sorry! Wait! My God! Oh Lord! Hugo! I shouldn't have shouted! Please listen to me! I'm sorry! No! No! Monsters! Leave him alone!
So that's where you were.
No! Wait! We just want to... I didn't want to.
Amicia! Amicia!
Hugo! I'm coming! Oh, please say he's alive! Please say he's alive! Hugo!
Let go of me! Let go of me!
Stop squirming. We're just waiting for your sister.
Amicia! Amicia!
You're not gonna put me in the... I'm gonna start with you. Why'd you have
No,
to come here,
please!
huh? Why?
Don't make me...
Idiot! This armor has stopped axes and swords.
There has to be a way to...
I'm just a bit rusty. There's no escape. Sooner or later. I know what you're like. Fine. I can use that to my advantage. I'm going to show... I'm just a bit rusty. Come on, Conrad. Show him what you do best. Do you think you can defeat me? I fought in 2 wars, you know. You're a slippery one. But 1 hit's all it takes. Just 1. There's no escape. Sooner or later. I'm just a bit rusty. Do you think you can defeat me? I fought in 2 wars, you know. I'm not scared of dying, you know. You took away from me the only thing I had.
No! Please!
Yeah,
Amicia!
keep it up.
Amicia!
Only death will stop me. That's one of us is going to die, and the winner will be cursed for all eternity. Stupid! What's the matter? Scared of killing someone all of a sudden?
Amicia. You killed him.
Come on.
Look, Amicia.
I'm coming.
Whoa. Why are there candles?
The candles are to show that you're thinking of someone.
Oh, can I light one?
If you want to. Don't burn yourself.
Thank you. For Mummy and Daddy.
Watch over them.
It's funny, the sound here.
There's an echo.
Hello!
Hugo, there might be people here.
Oh,
A barricade.
well, why have they done that?
To stop someone from getting in or out.
Hey, look! There's a broken...
Come on, get up there.
I hope it doesn't break like the other one.
It won't, Hugo. Trust me.
Amicia, there's someone there.
Children, what are you doing here?
Father! We need help!
Leave! It's dangerous! You have no business being here!
Wait! Please! It's important! We should go and talk to him.
Is he the one who knows where Laurentius is?
It has to be him. It has.
Oh, they've broken everything.
What's going on here?
Perhaps they're building bigger beds?
I don't think that's it.
I know that smell.
Medicinal herbs. The monks must have put them in the water to purify themselves. Mother used to do the same.
Flowers. They're so pretty. They're carnations. We had some in my herbarium. But those ones are prettier.
Hugo, we have to keep moving.
Wait, come here.
What?
It will protect you, and is pretty too.
Oh. All right.
Now we can go.
Thank you, Hugo.
You're welcome.
Father,
You again. I told you to
just
leave.
a moment. Just a...
You have no idea. Leave while you still can.
Please! Someone has to help us. Do it for him at least.
The Robert de Rune, coat of arms.
We are his children. We are looking for Laurentius, the doctor. Do you know him?
Yes, I know him. And I know he used to look after your family. He spoke of you. I am Father Thomas. Your presence here is not a good sign.
The Inquisition. They came and they...
I can imagine. But what is happening here is far worse. You must leave immediately, or you will die.
But, Father, the villagers wanted to kill us.
Oh, they're mad. Oh, Laurentius. No, I cannot leave the church, but an exit through the crypt of the Three Saints. It may not be too late. I shall try to put you on a path to Laurentius's farm, but after that, may God watch over you. All seems calm for the moment. Come. Above all, be sure to stay in the light.
Father, why are there crosses on the village doors? Is it really the plague?
It started with bites during the night. Then the sickness spread. First in families, then to everyone. Fever, boils. People started dying. And when we finally found out where it came from, it was already too late.
And where did it come from?
We're nearly there. Brother Morel should be here. We are the last two remaining. Brother Morel. Stay here. Brother Morel. Brother?
What is the matter? Father?
No.
You can't stay close to me.
They ate him, Amicia! They ate him!
Where did they come from? How can there be so many of them? Protect us.
They're everywhere!
The light! They're scared of the light! It's a nightmare!
We have to get back outside, Amicia!
I know! Keep moving! It's a monk. The other brother. We're going to have to climb up. I'll have to put the torch down.
No, please!
Calm down. There's a torch holder. We'll still have light. Come on, I'll help you.
But then what?
We'll find something. I don't understand why there are so many. Fire. We need some fire. The wood will burn quickly. We have to hurry.
Go away! Shoo! Go away!
Calm down, Hugo. The light will protect us, all right?
All right.
So that's their plague. Rats. The priest spoke of a way out, through the crypt.
Amicia! The 3 statues!
The crypt of the 3 saints. It's the exit the father spoke of. We have to find another way.
Amicia!
I should be able to knock it down.
They've eaten them all.
Try not to look. We can't do anything for them now.
It's horrible.
I know. Come on. Climb up.
Yes.
Right, we'll pass at the same time. I'll go first.
Yes. They're making too much noise. Too much noise.
Hugo, calm down. Not bad. Not bad at all. No rats. I don't see any torches. How can we... what are we going to do? That seems to keep them busy.
Are you sure?
Another ham should be enough.
Down there! The Three Saints!
All right, let's be careful. We'll be safe if we go that way.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
We won't fall. Hold my hand tight. That torch!
There's a hole in the grating.
I'll lift this up. Can you get the torch?
Yes.
It's heavy. Hugo, hurry up. Come on. Oh, no!
Are you alright?
Yes. Stay where you are. The ground is rotten.
Misha, how am I going to get back?
We'll find a way. Don't worry. As long as you have the torch, you'll be safe.
But what about you?
We'll move together. That way, the light coming through the grating will protect me too. Ready?
Ready?
Here we go then. Slowly. Very good.
Look, there's a hole. Do you want the torch?
Yes, there are too many rats on my side.
But where can I get through?
The hole behind you. That's the only way I can see. Go through there and I'll meet you on the other side.
Are you sure?
Just stop if you see rats. I'll be with you very quickly.
Alright, but please hurry.
Quick now. Hugo! Are you alright?
There were rats. I ran to the light.
Did they bite you?
No, I found a ladder, but there are rats down there.
I'll open a way through for you. We're going to get you down from there. Calm down, Amicia. He's fine. You're fine. Stay focused. These twigs burn too quickly. I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
Wait, I have something for you.
Perfect. Thank you. These twigs burn too quickly. I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
Wait, I have something for you.
Perfect. Thank you. Ready. You can come down now. Sorry, I shouldn't have left you alone. It's too risky.
That's all right.
Thank you. We can get out of here now.
Yes, far away.
Go ahead. I'm right behind you. Oh, what's that on the ground?
Should we go anyway?
Yes, we've managed to get this far. We'll be fine. Just stay close.
What's that stuff on the walls?
I don't know. They did that.
You think so?
Yes, we're in their nest.
So, they're going to be even more angry? Alicia, you mustn't touch the walls.
Yeah. It's burning my throat. Over there! Light! We're there, Hugo! Run, Hugo! Run! We did it. We did it. We did it.
Amicia, I want to see Mommy. I don't want her to be dead.
Hugo.
I want her to come back.